Hi guys, it's Mokube here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to add pages in your footer in WordPress. Let's get into the video. So, the first thing is that you simply need to log into your WordPress website. Once you're there, you simply click on what? Appearance. So, we'll scroll down, we'll click on Appearance, after which we are going to click on Customize. So, it's going to take us another interface. After that, you are going to see footer. Depending on your theme, on your WordPress theme, you are going to see footer. Once you're there, you can simply see you'll be able to edit your footer menu, as you can see here. So we are going to click on Find It Fast. You can simply change this if you want to change it. And if you want to add a page to this, you simply click here. You click on Add Items. So let's say we want to add a blog page to this. We just added that blog page. Let's say we want to add the policy page, the business page to that category. Let's say we want to remove some pages. Click on that. After that, you click on Publish. So the same thing here. For quick link, you can simply decide to add another items, not only pages but even products, depending on what you want to add on your footer menu. So that's it. As you can see, the same thing here, the same thing. You can decide to edit this by inserting your website logo there, or any logo you want to insert. Copy it. Okay. It's too large for that size, so we're going to remove it. So guys, that's actually the way you add pages in footer in your WordPress website. So in the next tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to create your footer menu. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in the next tutorial. Peace out.